We are so happy that you chose Here at Home for your hearing test. Here's what to expect at your appointment. When you first enter our office, our customer care staff will welcome you with a friendly smile and offer you a hot or cold beverage. While sipping on your drink, we will get you to fill out some paperwork. This paperwork helps us know a little bit more about you, your medical history, and what brought you in for a hearing test. Once your paperwork is completed, we will bring you into the testing room and we will discuss your intake forms and any concerns you or your loved one have regarding your hearing. Most of the hearing test is done in a sound-treated booth, but before we head on in there, there's two things we'll have to do. We will first look in your ears with our video otoscope to make sure there's nothing abnormal. And then we will perform tympanometry to test your middle ear function. Once we do that, we will head on into the sound booth to complete the rest of the hearing test battery. Once we have completed the hearing test, we will explain the results and discuss our next steps together. Thank you again for choosing Here at Home. We are looking forward to meeting you in person. If you have any questions prior to your scheduled appointment, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. In the meantime, if you're curious about any other services that Here at Home offers, please check out these videos.